Hello friends, does this car look familiar? How about now? And how about now? Ominae. In today's video, we'll be talking about the stereotypes around the cars Nigerians typically drive. Let's go. The car you drive and how you style your ride says a lot, and this is very amplified in the Nigerian car community. Our first group will be the children of the land, aka Ominae, park chairmen, area fathers, etc. These guys love their coupes. Coupes are typically two-seaters with sportish styling like the Toyota Celica, Honda Civic Coupe, Mazda MX-6, and the Mitsubishi Eclipse. These are very nice, practical and reliable cars, loved for their sleek designs, fuel efficiency, great handling, and easy maintenance. You usually find these cars with a lot of football club stickers or boxing gloves hung on their rearview mirrors, or footballs displayed on the rear glass, because the demographic that rides this coupe are very expressive and youthful at heart, and are very serious about the sports team they support. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Our second group are the traders at Alaba International Markets, Sabon Gari Markets, Onitsha Main Market, etc. You would usually find these traders in cars like the Lexus RX 330, Lexus ES 350, Toyota Camry Spider, and the Mercedes-Benz ML 320. Now, these cars are not what give these traders their stereotype, but it's their love for interior covers. Bro, they love interior covers. The entire car interior are usually covered in plush leather. Is your dashboard cracked? Leather cover. Are the seats torn? Leather cover. Oh, your car flooring is scratched up? Leather cover. Sir, please open your boot so that we can put the crate of drink in your car. Just make sure you don't scratch my leather. Oh. Our next group, the office worker. Boring. Calm down. This set of car owners are constrained by their jobs and can't really personalize their ride. Hey, yeah. You would usually find them in very corporate and formal looking cars like the Hyundai Sonata, the Kia Optima, the Toyota Yaris, and the Hyundai Santa Fe. These cars are usually practical, reliable, fuel efficient, and are typically just for work-home trips. Our next group are the civil servants. These guys use the most variety of vehicle types on this list. You would find them in very quirky vehicles like the Suzuki Jimny and the Peugeot 307. We talked about these super vehicles in one of our recent videos. You can check it out here. You would also find these guys on scooters like the Honda Dio and motorcycles like the TVS Neo. It's almost as if they are disguising. The next group are the big factory workers like the Nigerian bottling company, Guinness, basically those FMCG company workers. These guys typically drive regular cars like the Toyota Corolla, Toyota Highlander, Honda Accord, and the Honda CR-V. Now, on the surface, there's nothing stereotypical about these cars until you open their boots. In their boots, you are almost certain to find football jerseys, socks, and shoes. It's almost as if they have too much free time on their hands. Cause why are you not tired after work? You would find the most random things in their cars like deodorants, branded notepads, snacks, Bluetooth speakers, etc. Very hyperactive people. And lastly, we have our top government officials. These guys barely drive themselves and would usually spec their ride to the fullest, and their drivers end up having all the fun because the front seat is where the magic happens, in my opinion. You would usually find these chairmen in cars like the Toyota Land Cruisers, the Range Rover Velar, the Lexus LX, and more recently, the Lexus LM350. They are always in a convoy with multiple law enforcement officers. I wonder why. There you have it, guys, different Nigerian personalities and the type of cars they drive. Now, there are a whole lot more groups of Nigerians and their different car choices that wasn't included here. We will be covering those in future videos. If you belong to any of these groups, please let me know down in the comments. And feel free to tell me if my analysis in this video was correct. Cheers, guys.